Howdy, I'm Jason Lewis, and this is a 2011 Aston Martin Vantage V12. Quite possibly one of the sexiest cars ever built. Now, I'm gonna take it for a ride, but I hear this crazy music in the background that seems to follow this car around everywhere. I think it means there's a montage about to happen. Now, from behind the wheel of this car, you'd get the impression from this beautiful interior that this might be some bloated luxury car, but it's not. You'd be really wrong. This thing is absolutely brutal. This car is amazing to me. I mean, I knew I liked the car from just a little bit that I've seen in the press, but it's a true hot rod. Aston Martin took their largest motor out of their DBS and threw it in their smallest chassis, the Vantage, which normally has a V8. So you have this amazing handling platform, yet you have the largest V12 motor crammed into the engine compartment. Now that's Hot Rod 101 right there. And it sounds amazing. It feels amazing. It is phenomenal. The suspension in this car, while it's not harsh, is very, very stiff. The grip level is phenomenal. The steering is almost too fast. With all the traction control and computer aids off in this car, it has proved to be one of the most wicked cars I've ever driven. Now the V12 only comes in a hardtop and a 6-speed manual transmission. That to me is a home run. This car's been modified with a Flowmaster. I know, don't freak out people. It's got a Flowmaster's exhaust system. In sport mode, this car would normally open up the exhaust baffles, but the owner of this car wanted it to be loud all the time. And the sound is absolutely intoxicating. Now, as sexy as this car is, I think it's understated for the performance that's lying underneath here. It's an absolute beast, true driver's car. I'd like to thank Galpin Premier Collection and Flowmaster for giving me this car and letting me share it with you guys.